Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create or convert any of the image to base64 file format, so that you can use it on your programs. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser, and in the search bar of browser you need to search for base64 image.io. Just simply hit this and open this first website for you, which appear right in front of you. When you open it, it will ask you to upload the image that you want to create. Just simply open the upload the image. They have the limit for the image size, so make sure it will under 1 MB. Once you do it, here you can see the base64 equivalent for the same image will appear generated in seconds. You can see a big code which contains all the details about the image, so you can use it anywhere you want. Even they have the HTML usage and CSS usage, JSON usage, XML usage for the same as well. You can directly copy and use it on your projects. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.